Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now 50 look 30. I guess you see the title of the video and you're wondering, can this be possible? Guys, if you take care of your skin, it will definitely look much younger than your age. I take care of my skin using natural remedies, natural ingredients that are loaded with antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. In this video, I am going to share one of my secret remedy with you. This remedy I use to get rid of dullness on my skin, textured on my skin, and also fine lines on wrinkles on my skin to keep my skin looking much younger, much fresher, and much brighter. So if you're interested in today's video, follow me to the kitchen. I'll give you a full detail of the recipe, and I will also share some tips on how best to use this on your skin to keep it younger than your actual age.
Our first ingredient is rice, and I'm using a 1/4 cup of rice. What I'm going to do with the rice, I'm going to blend it to a powder. So I'm pouring the 1/4 cup of rice in the blender, and I'm going to place this on the blender and I'm going to blend. Now rice contains skin tightening properties. It also will help to exfoliate the skin and keep the skin clean and clear. So here we have the blended rice, and let's pour this in. And now we're going to set this aside and move on to the next ingredient. My next ingredient is carrots, and I'm using a medium carrot, and I'm going to extract the juice from the carrot. If you have a juicer, go ahead and juice. However, I'm going to be blending. I have a small blender. So the first thing I'm going to do is to scrape and chop the carrot for easier blending. Now once this is done, I'm going to place my carrot in the blender, and I'm then going to set it aside and move on to my next ingredient. My next ingredient is aloe vera gel, and today I have a aloe vera leaf. I'm going to take about 2 ounces of the aloe vera leaf, and I'm going to extract the gel. To extract the gel is pretty easy. I'm just going to cut off both the upper and the lower peel. And what I have next is a fresh aloe vera gel. So now I'm going to take this gel and I'm going to place it in the blender along with the carrot. Once this is done, I'm going to reach for some hot water, and I'm using this to release the carrot juice and also to help to preserve the ingredient a little longer by simply blanching. So I'm going to pour about a 1/4 cup of hot water, and next I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, I'm going to be straining to get rid of all the particles. So let's reach for a strainer, pour this in, and now we're going to extract the carrot and aloe vera juice. Now after straining, you can choose to use the trash to make a facial scrub, or you can even choose to use it to make another facial mask. Now here we have the aloe vera and the carrot juice. And now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to move back to the blended rice. And we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of the rice powder in a blender. Next, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of hot water. Pour this in the blender along with the rice powder. Just give it a little mix, and you can see that it's going to get really, really thick, and that's exactly how you want it to be. Next, I'm reaching back for my carrot and aloe vera. I'm going to use a tablespoon of the carrot and aloe vera juice. You can also choose to omit the water and just use hot carrot and aloe vera juice. Give it a little shake, and now put it back on the blender, and we are going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our cream facial mask, our aloe vera carrot cream facial mask. Let's pour this in a bowl and give this a little mix. Now guys, you can choose to use this as it is on the skin, or you can choose to pep it up like I'm going to be doing here. So I'm going to add a few other ingredients to this. And my ingredient of choice is some grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil contains vitamin E. It will help to nourish and hydrate the skin. So we're using 1 teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Pour this in. And reaching for another oil, a special oil, which is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, making it an amazing oil for this recipe. So we're going to pour about a teaspoon of the rosehip oil in the mixture. And next, we are going to reach for some honey, which is optional. You can choose to use either honey or you can choose some vegetable glycerin. And we're using a half of a teaspoon of the honey. Same amount if you're using vegetable glycerin. And now we are going to mix this, and we are going to mix well, mixing this into a cream. So you need to totally dissolve all the oils in the aloe vera, rice, and carrot mixture. Also choose to put this back in the blender and blend for a more creamier consistency. And once this is done, you're going to reach for a small jar. I prefer a jar with a wide mouth like this little one that I'm showing here. And now we're going to pour our anti-aging facial cream in the bowl. Now once this is done, make sure to scrape everything out. Every last bit is precious. And now this is ready to use. Our anti-aging overnight facial mask. Now this facial mask can be used at night, and all you need is about a half of a teaspoon, and you're going to apply it all over your face, your neck, and your décolleté. It's not going to leave any form of a residue, so let it dry on the skin, and then you go to bed, sleep with it. Upon arising in the morning, you rinse off and apply your favorite daytime moisturizer. Now this mask is going to help your skin to look cleaner and clearer, clear your skin of hyperpigmentation, smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and it also will give the skin a natural glow. So go ahead, use it up, and this can be used above your facial toner. Every night it's okay, or if not, use it at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. And you need to store this in your refrigerator, and it can be stored for up to 7 days.